Angie, and I'm coming today to do a quick little project share. This was a commission piece for a gift. So I thought I'd go ahead and share that really quick. It's fun to share some things that that I love to do, and this, like I said, this is a commission piece, so it was a special piece. And so yeah, so let's get to it. So all my things come with like a tag with a handwritten name or whatnot, but this is going to the person, and I might put some dangles and stuff like that, but this will eventually be on there. And then I just put some simple string here. This is some like crochet string and some cotton string. I love string. For how simplistic and simple it is, it still presents well. And this gift is going for an anniversary gift. It's from a wife to her husband. So you'll see what's inside in a second. But I make my little bags and all the special gifts and orders that I get. I make these little bags and I do different things with them, but mostly I've been doing stamping, and I'm the mountain girl now, so I've been doing the trees on them, which I think is really cool. It's kind of just my little signature thing that I do to make it more to me. Anyway, so open the bag, and then here's the piece. So it's just like a little keepsake piece, and I had done a video previous to this. I made one for my mother-in-law of her mother. So it's kind of just all kinds of tattered, and it's layered, all kinds of little pieces together. So this is some sari ribbon that I got from Crafty Me Shop. She sells sari ribbon sometimes, if you catch it. So that was from there. And then these are just trims and laces that I've been gifted or that I've been collecting. I don't have everything unpacked, but what I do have, I've been making it work, right? So this is just like a little bit of collaging up here. There's just like a bunch of pieces of bitty bits, and it's just collage, nice little fun thing. And then you open it. Well, this is the back. So this is the back here, and it's just a big button and a doily. Lots of trims and laces and little appliques. And then this was just a piece I had left over for making one of my doll dresses, and I thought, oh, might be cute for like the spine there. So then when you open it this way, the way it's supposed to be open, you'll see this piece, and then you'll see this. So here is the piece. So this is the mother. And then, so like I did just my collaging, and I had these, I'm not sure where I got these things. I think they were gifted. I'm not sure. Anyways, I made them look like trees. They're leaves. They're like, it came in a big yard, but I just cut them up to make them to look like trees, like pine trees. And then this is like the sun over here, and I just put a button, and then the picture, and this is a piece of lace I cut out the center. Then I just did like this little collagey thing down here and printed. I wrote some words out in Photoshop and then printed them out. And then here's a little pin with some glass bead right here. This kind of this mother's Irish, has Irish, and so I kind of just like incorporate green a little bit there. Apologize for that. Anyways, where I was is this is the collage inside, and so then it just folds back up like this, and then you just wrap your sari ribbon or whatever, and you can put a pin on it. The one I made last time had a pin, and so yeah, so then you just put that in the bag, and that's how you gift it with your tag. So these are fun to make. It's a good way to use up your scraps and stuff. And yeah, I'm sorry if I sound a little bit over the place or drawn out. I don't mean to sound kind of down. My little French bulldog got hurt, let's see, a week ago, and he is in really tough shape. So it's been quite a week with him. He has a spinal cord injury, and we're hoping and praying daily, minute, every second that he can rebound and get through this. He's doing well. His spirits are up and down. He just, poor thing. I just feel so heartbroken for him. He's my everything right now. I'm kind of an empty nester with my kids. They're grown up, and he's been my rock for the last 5 years. So this is really tough. Tougher than I ever imagined, having a disabled dog, and I'm going to do everything I can to rehab him, and if he is set to be paralyzed for the rest of his life, that's what we'll deal with. But it's good to just give it a try. I think he's feeling something. We're not sure, because like I said, I've never dealt with this before. It's my first dog I've ever had, so it's tough. But anyways, I don't want to drag that on too long. I just wanted to give you an update why I've been a little bit MIA and I haven't gotten to my comments. I'm so sorry. I want to thank every new sub that has come to my channel. I appreciate every one of you. I wouldn't be here on YouTube if it wasn't for your support and guidance and encouragement. So thank you so much. If you could keep my little baby in your thoughts and prayers, I would highly appreciate it. And I will be back with my spunky self soon. I have a book or a project I'm working on. It's kind of extended. It's taken me a little bit longer. But I had this order come through and I had to get this done really quick, and I thought I would come and share and just talk a little bit about where I've been really quick. So I hope everybody's being safe and healthy and enjoying the fresh air on your porch. That's what we're doing. We have some land out here, so we've been doing some cleanup and whatnot, and it's kind of what we've been doing. So I hope everybody has a lovely week and talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.